everyone, welcome back to my channel Englishvinglish with Manpreet. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss about something that is going to help you enhance your English. We're going to discuss about a very common but a very requested video, that is tenses. Yes. So as I said tenses, you all would be having a lot of questions related to it. So in this video, we are going to cover what are tenses, how to use them in sentences. We are also going to discuss about various examples, various types of tenses. So without further ado, let's get started. To understand tenses, first we need to understand what are verbs. A verb is any action that is done by the subject. For example, eat, sit, drink, sat, stand, etc. Now all of these words are telling us what is the action that is done by a subject. Now if I add time to these action verbs, you will get tense. For example, he is sitting in the park. So in this sentence, sitting is a verb, but when I've added is, you can understand that the verb is in the present tense. So with this example, we can understand that a tense tells us at what time an action has taken place. It also tells about it, whether it has been completed or not completed. It also tells us about the regularity and the habitual events as well. There are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Now all these tenses are further divided into four parts: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Now let's learn about all of these three tenses one by one. Now the first one is present tense. A present tense indicates an action that has taken place in present or something that is still going on. For example, I prefer my coffee black. So in this sentence, we can understand that prefer is indicating that I usually like my coffee black. So we can understand that it is also indicates about about a habit or something that happens regularly. Now we need to also understand that these tenses can also be in three forms, that is positive, negative, and in question form. So just right now I told you a positive sentence, that is I prefer my coffee black. If I want to say the same sentence in negative form, I can say I do not or I don't prefer my coffee black. If I want to write it in a question form, I can say do I prefer my coffee black? So whenever you're asking a question in a present tense, we either use do or does depending on the subject. Next one is past tense. Past tense indicates an action that has happened in past or something that has already finished. For example, I forgot my wallet. So in this sentence, forgot is the past form of forget. Now, these past tense are also can be written in positive, negative, and question form. For example, just I shared that I forgot my wallet. Now this sentence is in positive form. If I want to write it in a negative sentence, I can say I did not forget my wallet. And if I want to write it in a question form, I can say, did I forget my wallet? The last one is future tense. We can understand from the word itself that future means that something that has not yet happened and it's going to happen in the coming time period. For example, she will see her friend during the weekend. So in this sentence, will see indicates that the action has not yet happened and is going to happen during the weekend. I can also write these sentences in positive, negative, and question form. For example, the sentences that I just shared was in positive form. If I want to write it in a negative form, I can say, she will not see her during the weekend. Or if I want to write it in a question form, I can say, will she see her during the weekend? One more thing is, whenever we write any sentence in future tense, we use will or shall with the verb. I hope my video was helpful. If you liked it, kindly hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. There also a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Please hit that as well, as you will get notified whenever I'll upload a new video. I also have an Instagram page. I will link it down in the description box, or I will write it down here on the screen. You can go and follow me there. Now I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.